Alright, here's a real quick video out in the sun. This beautiful truck getting ready to catch an oil change. Just drove it down the road, and aside from the typical driveline, manual shift feelings that you'll have of an older truck, drive shafts and all are tight, but it's got the normal slop to it. But this is one beautiful truck. We did have a lady actually reach out to us that says she's going to get this thing purchased. If so, it will be going to some pretty cool hands. 24’16s, 37s, probably about 6 or 8 inches of lift on this short bed truck. Paint job's phenomenal. And again, if she does purchase it, you might have a chance to get your hands on it. But we'll have some more details coming about that shortly. Don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. But definitely want to get some video of this bad boy. Morning sun is bright out here, but at least you can see it in the daylight versus in the shop and get a little more appreciation for the glossiness to this paint job. Dual exhaust coming out of the center right there. Tires don't have but a couple hundred miles on them. Greasable fittings on the springs there. Really nice looking truck for this price point. And again, you can spend $100 grand and get something better at Barrett Jackson, but for 40 grand, sheesh, they don't get much nicer than this. Small block, manual trans, manual floor shift 4x4, of course, worn hubs, 6-lug truck. Very nicely dressed up under the hood. I don't want to get a bunch of fingerprints on the hood messing with that. They'll get plenty of them on it changing oil, but one last look at this truck because, like I said, I'm pretty positive she is spoken for. And check out our other square bodies. You might have seen this on our TikTok, but again, seeing this thing in person with this paint is beautiful. Somebody put some effort in this thing, buffing and wet sanding and making it very nice. DavisFourx4.com, DavisAutoSales.com, and Davis Drives on YouTube. Thanks for watching.